Hey everyone, and welcome back. Using Agile CRM's free plan, but feeling stuck? In this video, I'll show you the most common mistakes users make and how to avoid them. First, don't ignore the contact limit. The free plan caps you at 1,000 contacts. Regularly clean out old, unengaged leads to stay under this limit and keep your list healthy. Second, plan your automation steps. The free plan has a limit on automation actions per month. Avoid setting up too many complex, high-frequency workflows that will burn through your allowance quickly. Third, use the built-in email templates. Manually writing every email wastes time. The free plan includes templates. Use them to speed up your campaigns. Fourth, don't forget to set up your sales pipeline correctly. A messy pipeline with undefined stages makes it impossible to track deals. Keep it simple with clear stages like lead, contacted, proposal, and closed. Finally, train your team. The biggest mistake is having only one person know how the CRM works. Use the free plan's user seats to get everyone on the same page, and that's it. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll get way more value from your free Agile CRM account. If you've encountered one of these issues, let me know how you fixed it in the comments. See you in the next one.